Is my skeletal video part 2. Here's my list. Alright, we're going to start with the humors. We have the greater tubercle, the lesser tubercle, then we have the olecranon fossa, then we have the medial epicondyle and the lateral epicondyle, then we have the trochlea, which would be right in here. We move down and we have the radius and the ulna, so let's start with the radius, which is right here. We have the radius head. Right here we have the styloid process of the radius. Then we have the ulna. Up here we have the olecranon process of the ulna. And then down here we have the styloid process. Now moving on to our hand, our wrist and hand. So starting right over here, we have the scaphoid, then we have the lunate, then we have the trochletrium, it's that little one right there, then we have the pisiform, then we have the trapezium, that little one right next to it is the trapezoid, then we have capitate right in the middle, and then hamate. Then we have the carpals, the metacarpals, and then phalanges. Alright, and then we'll move on to the pelvic girdle. We have the iliac crest, then we have the iliac joint, and then we have the ilium, which is this area right in here. Then we have the ischium, then we have the pubis, the acetabellum, and then the obturator foramen. And then we have the ischial tuberosity, which is right there. And then we move on to the femur. So we have the femur head, the femur neck, we have the greater trochanter, move it over a little bit, we have the lesser trochanter right there, then we have the medial condyle and the lateral condyle. And then we'll move on to the patella, tibia, and fibula. So we have the tibia right here, and right here is the anterior crest for it, and then we have the medial malleus, and then we have the fibula right here, and then we have the lateral malleus, and then right here is the patella. Alright, and then we're going to go to the ankle and the foot, and we have the tarsals, the metatarsals, and the phalanges. And then we have the calcaneus, which is right here, and then finally the talus, which is right there. And that is my skeletal video part 2.